In all of my art, I'm asking, who is art for? By asking who is art for, I'm also asking, who is our country for? I work with the understanding that who gets to have a voice has always been the battleground of our country. Small acts of art can give communities an unapologetic platform for speaking their truth. Dear America was a public art project in response to the anti-Asian violence that was happening in 2021. We projected the works of Asian American artists throughout the Bay Area. It symbolized the right of Asian Americans to take up a lot of space without asking permission. Everybody Eats Lunch was a project I did in 2017 and 18. The country was reeling from a presidential election, and there was a lot of discussion about how the algorithms had divided us. And so I intentionally paired people together for lunches and conversation. You didn't know anything about who you were going to get paired with, but you knew that they wanted to eat the same lunch as you. I'm currently working on a project about erased Bay Area history. In the city of Antioch, there are underground tunnels that were built by early Chinese Americans who lived during the Sundown Era. The aim is to search for the descendants and co-create a public art project that will tell this never-before-told story about Antioch, California, and indeed the United States. This fellowship is a dream. It means my artistic freedom is guaranteed for just a little bit longer. In a time when fascism is being normalized, it's really important for artists to keep normalizing art, to keep normalizing activism, to keep normalizing care for fellow human beings in our communities. To have a fellowship that is this robust is an act of trust in art and also an act of trust in artists.